Thought Nazareno.
Elisa.
Are you stalking me?
Is it Saga? Elisa?
It's Elise.
August 16 on Viva One.
I felt like when I was put up in the air, I had a little heart attack.
Pala si ating dito, best friend ni Shelly.
Wala pang lines, hindi pa kami nagre-reading, pero ramdam mo na yung chemistry nila.
Paglalaro ko kami ng game na sure na panalo si Sherry. At ang mga sure na tutupad ang aking class.
This is...
Let the chase begin!
Hello po! Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa oras nyo. I know that this week has been a very challenging one for the whole country and a very... Malapit na
Ate Bea! We love you, Bea!
Thank you for that, Bea.
Thank you, Bea! Yan, pwede ka nang maupo sa iyong upuan. Okay. Sino ba naman ang makakalimot sa ating next couple? Grabe ba naman ang pagpapaulan nga ng kilig? Parang halos lahat ay hindi makaahon.
Ate Bea!
Best known as Michael from the Rain in España. Sasamahan ulit tayo ngayon ng Architect
Lalabas na ang Chasing in the Wild. Feeling ko pwede naman sabihin nasa around 30 shooting days. So, ibig sabihin sobrang pinaghirapan nila. So, please supportahan nyo ang Chasing in the Wild ngayong very good.
Palakpakan natin si Marco and Heaven.
Alright, that was Marco and Heaven. Pero eto, may panibago tayong addition. There's someone new to the Universe Canada for today. Alam nyo ba yun? Heaven! Okay.
Round of applause for Hyacinth. Alright, on our marks. In 3, 2, 1. Wow, what do you think? What do you think, Kaya? Super cute! Okay! Thank you so much! Ang ganda. O yan, nasa likod natin.
Oo, karapat dapat talagang ipagmalaki at i-flex.
Exactly.
Take it all in, you guys. Flex-worthy talaga.
First time natin mag-poster reveal, So I can sense that this series is getting bigger and bigger. Mali mo,
O sinta, yung sa aking umaga. Sa pagdaan mo sa aking harap may nahina. Anong salaman ka? Merong gating kong patigil. Ang gawin ko sa sayo, wala na kung magkaroon sa sakit. Huwag mag-alala dahil meron naman akong kabayo. Halanahin ka
maging kayo talaga.
Yes!
What's important is
Let's go, Queen!
magtatrabaho, maayos yung working relationship din ninyo because after all, we all have lives outside our work. And I'm
Yes!
really grateful because Wilbert is, I feel like Wilbert is such a very reliable love team naman. Kada direktor na makatrabaho ko namin, may mga natututunan kami. And I think it's also nice for the viewers because they also see different flavors, different atake kada libro, kada season, kada title. So I think it's also nice, hindi lang para sa amin, but for everyone also. Pero ako, gusto ko syempre yung, ikaw yung pinupursue, mag-chase, pinupursue.
Maraming salamat po. Binigay ko sa iyo para sa iyo, Bea. Thank you po!
Palakpakan po natin, Wilbert Rock!
Ayan, thank you, babies. Maraming salamat sa flowers nyo. Ayan, Jerica, salamat. Thank you.
We love you, ate. Thank you.